Send more love. Send more gift yet. It means you drop some 100, you will be mine in my heart. I will kiss you, get it. What are you doing now? I want to talk with you. If you want to be kind to PM me, guys. Drop 1K for private. Ano ba yun? Basta carousel. After you drop and my love and let's do private. I got you. I got you, get it me. Send more gift. Ang daming viewers, ah. What are you doing now? Kindly PM me guys on Telegram. Ay! Thank you so much, get it me! Aww! Send more love! Do 200, get it me! I'm gonna squeeze it to you. Just do 200. You're so kind! Ayun ang gusto ko. Pinapakilig ako. Nanginginig pa for today's video. Come on, get it me. Don't be shy. I got you, get it me. Come on. Do 200 and I'm gonna squeeze it to you, baby. Ayun ba yung viewers? Huwag niyo kalimutan mag-PM sa Telegram. Come on, get it me. I will get it you. Guys, follow Get It Me. He's so kind and good. So I like you so much. What are you doing now? Do you speak Tagalog? Tell me. Get It Me. Send more love. Oh. Come on, baby. Can you drop some instant camera? Drop some instant camera. I'm gonna squeeze it to you. Just do 100. If you want to avail, kindly PM me. Bago lang ako sa Telegram, guys. This is my new Telegram. Yung link kasi hindi ko na ma-open kasi ang tagal na nun. Hi, Taksha Shab. Can I be your friend? Seng, I got you, Seng. Hi, Truntan. Kindly PM me, guys, on Telegram. Link is sexy and then after you drop in the surprise. Seng. Send more gifts, Seng. You can drop some 100, Seng. I'm gonna kiss you. Nanginginig pa for today's video. Thank you so much, Seng! Send more love! Do 500, Seng! Do 500, Seng! Then I have a surprise for you. Come on! Do 500, Seng! You're so kind! Guys, follow Seng! You're so kind and cute! That's why I like you so much! Come on, Seng! Do 500 and I have a gift surprise for you! I want kiss me, Seng! I have a gift surprise for you. Nanginginig pa for today's week. You're so kind. I thank you so much, Tan Lubot. Do 100 and I'm gonna squeeze it to you. Ay! Come on, baby. Come on, Seng. Do 500. Then I'm gonna squeeze it. Kiss me, guys, for surprise.